Hello everyone. In this exercise of the SolidWorks, we will create a steel bed in the weldments environment. Let's start. File, new, part, and this. This is the SolidWorks user interface. I am selecting background plain white, and the unit system is the millimeter gram second. Okay. We will create a steel bed in the weldments. I am taking the top plane. No, I am not creating any plane. I am taking the 3D sketch. 3D sketch, this one, 3D sketch. Center rectangle, this one, this one. This sketch is going in the XY plane. You are seeing near my cursor, XY is coming. But I don't want. Press tab key. Now it is going in the YZ plane. Again press tab key. Now it is coming XZ. I want to draw the sketch on XZ plane. Okay, and click it. Give the dimension. This dimension I am taking 2000, and this dimension I am taking 1000. Okay. Now the sketch is not fully defined. For we establish some constraint. Select this line. This line is along Z axis. You press click Z axis. Okay. Now this line is along, you will see at the bottom, along X axis. Press along X axis. Now the sketch is fully defined. Okay. Now I will make the legs, or you first this one. Now the sketch in the 3D sketch, the direction in which you want to draw the sketch, arrow must come, but arrow is not coming. To press tab key. Now the arrow is coming. It is immaterial whether arrow is upside or downside. Okay, we have to move along the arrow direction. This arrow direction, this one. Or when dotted line appears, it means you are on the right path. And click here. Later on we will assign the dimensions. Okay, right click, again press line button, this one, along arrow direction. When you see this dotted line, click, right click. Again you can press the L key on the keyboard also. Okay, this one, along arrow direction. And when you see this dotted line, it means you are on the right. Click, right click, select. Again this one, along the arrow direction. When you see this dotted line, then click only this one. Now press all the shift, click all the lines, this one, and make the relation equal, and give the dimension. This dimension I am taking 600 mm. 600 mm only. The sketch is still fully defined. Okay. Now I am making the supports here. One is this. Select any line. Press arrow key. Now we have to move along the arrow direction. You have to move along arrow. If you don't move in the arrow direction, then it will not be perfect. Okay, when you move along, and when this dotted line appears, this dotted line, now dotted line doesn't appear again, and this way. Now click you. It means you are on the right path. Otherwise, you will make a wrong sketch. Okay, this one. Right click. One more line. Take the midpoint. This is the midpoint. Midpoint. When you have the move along the arrow line, and with join another midpoint. Okay, this way, and mirror about right plane, mirror about right plane. This line along this mirror, right plane. This one line comes. Now give the dimension. This dimension I am taking this one. I am taking 2000 divided by 2 divided by 2 in this way, 500. The sketch is still fully defined. Okay. Now again, this one, take another line here for the move along arrow direction and join here. When you see the arrow dotted line, then you have to click this one. Okay. And dimension, this dimension I am taking 250 mm. 250. Okay. Sketch is still fully defined. Now you can mirror this thing. Future, sketch, mirror this line about plane, what plane? Right plane. This one. Sketch is fully defined. Okay. Now take the line along this one, move along arrow, this one, and along arrow, and when you see the dotted line, this one, and click, or click here, this one, and join the reference. When you have the reference point, then there is no need of the arrow, and join it. Later on we will decide the relation. This line along this line is along y-axis. Sketch is underdefined. Okay. And now give the dimension. This dimension I am giving 300 mm. 300. Sketch is fully defined. Now again is mirror about right plane. This along about right plane. This right plane is coming. Now give the fillet. This, or give the fillet of 120 mm. Okay. Now so sketch is fully defined. So I have made this. This is the structural member for the required steel bed. Okay. Now you have to go in the tabs there. If there is a weldment tab, in order to bring the weldment tab, in my tab, there is a weldment tab is available. If you don't find the weldment tab in the tab section, you can right click and tab and click here weldments. Okay, then you can bring weldment tab. In weldments first out of the sketch, weldments structure member, then this is I will take pipe. I will take NC inch, required pipe available. This is the pipe size is this one, 1.5 is schedule 40 mm. Okay, this one I am taking group. Now go in the right way, this one first, in proper sequence you move this one. This is not a continuous sketch. This one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. Okay. Now if you will select this another sketch, no, it will not be selected. So right. Okay. Now again structure member, same pipe. Okay. This is not a sketch, continuous sketch. This one, and this a pipe I have selected. This is the 1.5 schedule 40. Okay. Now you take the structure member rectangular pipe. I am taking the ISO standard. Pipe is rectangular or size is equal to 60 by 40. Okay, this one. Now you can take this one. Okay, and this one. If you will see, this is matching perfectly here. You can see from here. This is covering the circular pipe. Okay. And this one, another structure pipe. This one, rectangular, same pipe. This one, same. This one, and this one. Now, structure member same, but here we will have to rotate the direction because this is out of the pipe. This pipe you can see here. So I will rotate direction. You can rotate from here, 90 degree. Rotate 90 degree. This one. Now you will see this is matching for this one. Okay, this one, this one, this one. Okay. Now another structure member, iso rectangular. This one group. This one. This one. See. You can see here matching this. This in this way you matching. You can see here. It is our pipe is covering this one. Okay. This one. Now hide the sketch. Hide the sketch in order to obtain clear visibility in the weldments. Okay. This is our required model of the steel pipe. But you can see, you will see if there is a section you can take the section of this one, right plane. You can see pipe is inside is coming. You can see here. This pipe is coming here. Okay. This pipe is coming. Also here will be coming section. You see, this is inside pipe. You will see there a pipe is coming. We will trim it. Okay, this one. How will we trim? In proper sequence we will trim. First we will trim these pipes, rectangular pipe, these horizontal pipes. So how? Trim extend. First, this is the corner, body to be trimmed. I want to trim this one, this one, this one, and this one. 4 pipes I am trimming. Bodies means boundaries. This boundary, because this pipe is penetrating in this pipe, in this pipe, circular pipe. So now I am selecting the boundary. This one, 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 this one. Now you are seeing the some message are flashing. System asks, this we want to keep. Yes, I want to keep it. This I want to keep it. This I want to keep it. This I want to keep it. Suppose you click, then you will say it will discard. Suppose you want to eliminate this pipe, then it will discard. But again I am clicking this one. Keep. Okay, the pipe inside will be trimmed. Okay, I am hitting the right button, this one. If you will see, suppose I am isolate this pipe, isolate, right click, you will see the section of this one is here. Isolate this one. So in this way, this pipe is, you can see from here. This is the pipe, these pipes were penetrating inside circular pipe. I have trimmed all the pipes. Okay. In the same way in the bottom pipe also. Suppose you right click it, isolate it, this pipe is coming in this way. Okay, exit isolation. Now we will trim these pipes, these inside pipes. How? Trim and extend this pipe, this pipe, this pipe, this pipe, and bodies, because these pipes are penetrating in these two pipe, long pipe. So I am selecting this one and this one. Message flashes. You want to keep? Yes. You want to keep? Yes. You want to keep? Yes. The pipe inside this vertical pipe, this long pipe, that will be trimmed. Okay. This one. Now, one thing more. These pipes trimmed, these pipe trims, but these pipes also trimmed. Okay. Now, anything I think, everything has been. If suppose you take the section view and right plane, you can take pipe inside this, you can see trimmed. Okay, you will see. If you see this plane, you can see from here also. But one thing left here. This pipe is coming in this pipe. You can see here. This pipe is coming in this way. We can also trim this. You can see this pipe is, you see, this pipe, long pipe is coming in the circular pipe. We will trim also. Section. And these pipe, long pipe are coming in this circular pipes. So how we will trim? Trim and extend. These two pipes to be trimmed about from this one, both you have to select, because this is separate, because it's not a continuous sketch. This one and this one, okay, and this one and this one. This is the trimming boundaries. Okay, now system asking this thing, you want to keep this one? Yes, I want to keep it, but inside yellow, that will be trimmed. Okay, this one I am hitting okay. Now if you take the section, you will see inside the circular pipe, this long pipe inside the circular pipe has been eliminated. Okay, this one. In this way you can, we have made this sketch. Isometric, this one, this is, you can give the color, yeah, hello, appearance, and this color I am giving this color. Okay, or you can some dark color, this one. Now you can also make the some hoods for this which touch from the ground in order to protect from this thing. Suppose I am selecting this face, sketch, this one I am taking circular. You can locate the center point. If you bring your cursor on the circular, you will see the center point. This one, you can keep the dia 100 mm, 100 mm. This one. Okay. Now extrude it. Future, extrude it 8 mm. I think 8 mm is a sufficient. 8. This one. Okay. This is the 8 mm. Now you can mirror it. Mirror about this one. Mirror about this right plane. First is the, you can take front plane. This is the right plane, front plane. This is front plane. Mirror. But you have to select the bodies. This one. Okay, this one. This one. This one. This is okay. Now again mirror, again this right plane, and select the bodies. You have to select the bodies. This one and this one. Okay, you can come this one. Okay, this I have to make this thing. This is the, now you can give the material, you can make rubbers. Suppose this is a mirror, boss extrude this. Appearance you can take rubber, you can take appearance and rubber you can use matte rubber, this one. Right click on this, copy appearance, again mirror, paste appearance, again select this, paste appearance, all the four appearance you can give from here. This is the best method, I think. This one, I think I have made this one. So you can see the inside portion has been trimmed from, you can see here from also inside pipe is and this one. Okay, and you can isolate anything. Suppose you want to see another, isolate this part. This one is the isolate part. This one. Okay, so you want to add more things. Suppose you want to make a ply for this thing, you can apply the ply here and make the holes for the necessary. You can add different things on in this bed also. But I hope you would have enjoyed in this exercise. you please like, share and subscribe my this channel. Thank you.